Hello guys, welcome back for another video, and in this one we're going to talk about Overleaf and two hidden features that most of you guys do not know. So the first one is the fact that we can change the view of the PDF and have a dark mode. So most of you guys know that we can change the UI. So basically we can have like if you go to settings, so let's switch to the first normal editor looks. As you can see, Overleaf did change the UI. So if you want to go to the old settings, just go to you go to file, you go to settings, click on settings, and then you toggle off this button. You go to the old one, and to change the way the UI while you're writing look like, you can just like change those buttons. You have like this combo box. Yeah, as you can see, this change. Let's go maybe for Overleaf dark, and maybe yeah. As you can see, it's like giving like it's changing the way the code appear and the actual color of like the ED. Okay, but this is not the what I want to do is, so let's go back to what it was it's like making my eyes twitch. I think it was this, and I think it was, yeah, this one is cool. So let's switch back to the new look, and to have a dark mode on, what you need to do is same thing, go to settings here. Then what you need to do is you need to go to appearance, and what you need to do is just toggle on this little button, and it's only available in the new look for an Overleaf. Okay, so just click on this, and you will have like this nice dark mode that will like appease your eyes. Okay, the nice thing about this is it's only for the view. So for example, once you write your paper and you download the paper, you have like the normal look that you can share with your either colleagues, or you can share for publication. Okay, so if we click on it, as you can see, this is the normal paper. Okay, so this is a really nice feature that is not very known on Overleaf. And the second one that is very popular, and I think it's that is not very popular and known, but very useful, is the fact that you can copy and paste full markdown in the visual editor. So what I mean by this is, when you go to visual editor and you have like some kind of markdown notes that you made, for example in let's say in Obsidian, and you want to directly copy and paste, this can be like a draft, or some notes that were like made for like structuring the paper, or structuring the technical notes with like the plan, what you want to do, what you want to explore, or just like response from an LLM, because most of the time the output will be structured in Markdown. What you can do is directly copy and paste this, and bring back this full Markdown, and it will be structured like in LaTeX. So let me show like what I mean by this. So first, what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy everything here. Show you like, yeah, let's go copy all of this. So it's basically like a normal structure of a paper. Yeah, so let's copy all of it. And now what we need to do is we are just going back to the normal scene of like Overleaf. So now we are in Overleaf, and if I paste this inside the visual editor, it needs to be in visual editor. to do this. So paste, as you can see, the full markdown was directly pasted in. It's rendered like nicely with all the subsection and sections. Okay, and if we go to the code editor, you can see that there's like all the list, subsection, and section that were initially in the mount. And if we compare, you will see that we observe all the section and subsection plus the lists. The only issue with this is if you're using like some kind of LLM to generate this, most of the time those LLM auto-generate the number of the sections, so you have like some kind of redundancy, and this information is not necessary because the subsection and the section directly gives the order of the different section automatically by order of appearances. So you need to make sure that those are like deleted when you copy and paste. Okay. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked it. I made a video on if you're interested like in writing LaTeX. I made a video on how to write your full paper in VS Code and have like an augmented setup using like both AI and VS Code directly to write your paper. Okay, so I hope you like this, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.